Imagine repairing a machine that is bigger than your house, while it is still running at full speed. Not slowing down, not shutting off, but moving with thousands of moving parts inside. Sounds impossible, right? But in ships crossing oceans, in power plants generating electricity, and in massive industrial systems around the world, engineers actually repair and maintain these giant machines while they are operating. And today, in this video, we are going deep inside these mechanical giants to understand, how is this even possible? What technology makes it safe? And what happens if something goes wrong? If you love powerful technology, massive machines, and real engineering stories, you are absolutely in the right place. Welcome back to TechTide Digital Lifestyle, where we explore the power behind modern technology. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Because every week we bring you deep, high-quality tech documentaries just like this. Now let's step inside the world of moving giants. Why not just stop the engine? The most obvious question is simple. Why don't they just stop the engine? The answer is cost, time, and risk. Let's take the example of a cargo ship engine. These engines are not like car engines. Some of them are 3-story tall machines producing more than 80,000 horsepower. Stopping such an engine in the middle of the ocean is not a simple switch-off process. It can take hours to cool down, and restarting it may take days. Now imagine this ship is carrying thousands of containers worth crores of rupees. Every hour of delay means financial loss. In power plants, the situation is even more critical. If a turbine stops suddenly, electricity production stops. Entire cities may experience shortages. Industries depend on continuous power supply. Hospitals depend on it. Transportation systems depend on it. So instead of stopping everything, engineers learned something smarter. They learned how to maintain and repair while the system is running. And that is where the real engineering genius begins. What is live maintenance? Live maintenance is exactly what it sounds like. Maintenance performed while the machine is alive and operating. But this does not mean blindly touching a running machine. It is highly calculated, highly monitored, highly controlled. Modern massive engines are filled with sensors. These sensors constantly monitor temperature, vibration levels, oil quality, pressure, speed. Even the smallest abnormal vibration can indicate a problem. Engineers use vibration analysis to detect imbalance. Thermal imaging cameras detect overheating components. Oil analysis can reveal metal particles, which means internal wear. All of this data is displayed on advanced digital dashboards. So instead of waiting for a breakdown, engineers predict the problem before it happens. This method is called predictive maintenance. And this is the backbone of live repair systems. Ship engine example. Now let us enter one of the most extreme environments, a ship engine room. Inside a massive cargo ship, the main engine runs continuously for weeks. It operates at extreme temperatures, extreme pressures, and constant vibration. Yet engineers stay inside this engine room 24 hours a day. Certain parts of the engine are designed in modular sections. This means one fuel injector can be isolated and replaced while the rest of the engine continues running. Lubrication systems are constantly adjusted. Cooling systems are monitored in real time. If one cylinder shows abnormal behavior, engineers can reduce its load without shutting down the entire system. This intelligent design allows partial servicing. But remember, the heat, the noise, and the risk inside this room are enormous. Only highly trained marine engineers can perform this safely. Now let us move to railway locomotives. Freight trains travel thousands of kilometers without long stops. In such long operations, minor faults can appear. Instead of completely shutting down the locomotive, engineers perform quick diagnostics during technical halts. Cooling systems can be adjusted. Filters can be replaced. Electrical connections can be secured. Some systems are built with redundancy, meaning backup systems are always available. So if one component fails, another takes over temporarily. This intelligent system design allows continuous operation without risking total failure. It is not about fixing everything while moving, it is about managing risk intelligently. Modern locomotives are also equipped with onboard diagnostic systems. These systems automatically report faults to central monitoring stations. So even before the train reaches the next station, maintenance teams are already prepared. This coordinated system between onboard engineers and ground teams ensures smooth railway operations across long distances. Power plant turbines. Power plant turbines are even more sensitive. These turbines rotate at thousands of revolutions. Stopping them suddenly can cause thermal stress damage. So engineers use specialized inspection tools called borescopes. These are tiny cameras inserted into the turbine while it is slowly rotating. Robotic arms can inspect blade conditions. Sensors constantly check shaft alignment. If imbalance is detected, engineers schedule controlled load reduction instead of emergency shutdown. This reduces risk and prevents catastrophic failure. Technology behind it. The real hero behind all of this is technology. Today's industrial engines are connected to industrial IoT systems. Every component sends real-time data to monitoring centers. Artificial intelligence systems analyze patterns. If something unusual appears, alerts are generated instantly. In some advanced facilities, AI can even automatically adjust engine parameters. This reduces human error, it increases safety, and it saves millions in operational costs. Cloud computing has also transformed industrial monitoring. Instead of storing data only locally, engine performance data can now be transmitted to centralized global control centers. Experts sitting in another country can analyze live engine conditions in real time. Machine learning models study years of operational history to detect patterns invisible to the human eye. For example, a slight vibration pattern repeating every few hours may indicate bearing wear. AI can identify this early and recommend preventive action. This interconnected system of sensors, software, and analytics creates a protective digital shield around massive engines. It reduces downtime, increases lifespan, and ensures smoother industrial performance across sectors. This is not future technology. This is happening right now. But let us be clear. Live engine maintenance is extremely dangerous. Temperatures can exceed hundreds of degrees. Pressure systems can explode if mishandled. Rotating parts can cause severe injury. That is why strict safety protocols are followed. Engineers wear protective gear. They follow lockout procedures. And no repair is performed without full risk assessment. Because one mistake can cost not only money, but lives. Apart from physical dangers, there are operational risks as well. Incorrect maintenance decisions can create imbalance, overheating, or lubrication failure. That is why no single engineer works alone during live maintenance. There is always a coordinated team, including monitoring experts, safety officers, and supervisors. Every action is approved through proper protocol. Emergency shutdown systems are always ready as backup. Fire suppression systems, automatic pressure relief valves, and vibration-triggered alarms act as safety layers. Training simulations are conducted regularly so engineers know exactly how to respond during unexpected events. In high-risk industries, preparation is the difference between control and disaster. Future of engine repair. The future of engine maintenance is becoming even smarter. Robots are now entering engine rooms. Drones inspect confined spaces. Augmented reality glasses guide engineers step by step. In the coming years, many dangerous inspections may be performed completely remotely. AI will predict failures weeks in advance. And maintenance may become fully automated. The giant machines of the world are becoming intelligent. We are also entering the era of autonomous industrial systems. Future engines may automatically adjust fuel mixture, pressure, and cooling levels without human intervention. Smart sensors will communicate with each other directly, forming self-correcting networks. Augmented reality headsets will display internal engine diagrams in real time while engineers perform inspections. Predictive analytics will not only warn about failures, it will suggest optimized operating conditions for better efficiency. Some research projects are exploring nanosensors embedded directly into metal components to monitor structural stress continuously. The combination of robotics, AI, and advanced material science is transforming heavy engineering. So the next time you see a massive ship crossing the ocean, or a power plant supplying electricity, remember, behind those giants are engineers working silently to keep everything moving. Technology is not just about smartphones and apps. It is about powerful machines that run our world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into industrial engineering, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to TechTide Digital Lifestyle for more powerful technology documentaries. And don't forget to explore our channel playlists, where we cover future technology, massive machines, engineering innovations, and digital lifestyle breakthroughs. Click on the playlist section and continue your tech journey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next wave of technology.